Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Magazine. Today we're stepping off two wheels and diving into the world of heavy machinery. We're checking out the highly anticipated Ford 8000 tractor for 2025. Let's see what makes this beast tick. The Ford 8000 has been a staple in the agricultural community for decades, but the 2025 model brings some exciting upgrades and features that are worth exploring. First off, let's talk specs. The 2025 Ford 8000 boasts a robust 200 horsepower engine with advanced fuel efficiency technologies. This means more power and less downtime at the pump. It's also equipped with a hydrostatic transmission for smooth operation and improved maneuverability. The engine features Ford's latest EcoBoost technology, which not only enhances performance, but also meets stringent emission standards. Perfect for those eco-conscious farmers out there. Now, let's hop inside. The cabin of the 2025 Ford 8000 has been designed for maximum comfort. With an ergonomic layout, adjustable seating, and state-of-the-art climate control, you'll feel right at home during those long hours in the field. Plus, the new touchscreen display integrates advanced GPS navigation and precision farming technology, helping you get the most out of every acre. When it comes to performance, the Ford 8000 excels in both power and versatility. With an upgraded hydraulic system, it can handle various attachments from plows to seeders, making it a workhorse for any farm. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Features like rollover protection, enhanced lighting systems, and improved visibility ensure that operators can work confidently even in challenging conditions. Let's hear from a farmer who's been using the Ford 8000. What's been your experience? I've been impressed with the power and comfort. It handles everything I throw at it, and the technology has really made my work easier. Thanks for sharing. It's always great to hear from those who rely on these machines daily. So, is the 2025 Ford 8000 the right tractor for you? With its powerful engine, modern features, and focus on comfort and safety, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest in machinery and biking. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.